It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I want to bring you this site, Prizerebel, that I've been using for a while. I want to show you some tips, some tricks, strategies on how to make money with this site. Basically pretty much what I do. There's a lot of different opportunities to make money with it, but I'm going to show you my routine and maybe it'll help you. So first, you're going to sign up for an account. The link to it is in the description, so you can sign up. It's completely free, all that kind of stuff. And so once you have your account, this is going to be your homepage and what you see. So you can kind of, look through what they have here. They have some offers, some surveys, but what I like to do is just jump over right to the survey section. And you'll see here it pops up with Diana Daily Survey. My favorite survey provider to do right here is Samplicious. Samplicious, they have 4 different types of surveys. These are the regular ones here, the ones that pay 85 cents. They have some unique surveys, 60 cents. No more than 10-minute surveys, 30 points, and no more than 5-minute surveys, 15 points. Now, the thing is, what I always like to do, I try the 85-cent ones first just because, those pay the most, obviously, but it's not like those are always long. A lot of times I take these surveys and they're like 10 to 15 minutes. So it's not, like it's taking you 30 minutes or an hour, to get 85 cents. Obviously, that wouldn't be worth your time, but, just knocking those out, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes max. So, you might even find some 5-minute surveys in here, which I've done before too. But if you feel like, you're struggling with surveys, try these 5 to 10-minute surveys. That way, you can knock those out. And with the 5-minute surveys, if they're going to disqualify you, they're going to disqualify you early, right? So you're not going to get like halfway through the survey and they say, all right, you're not qualifying or whatever. But what I found about sample is that sometimes when you get deep into the survey, at least halfway, they will send you at least 2 points as like a disqualification bonus. They won't tell you at the end of the survey, but when you check your balance, you'll see that it went up 2 points, and then you check your history because you got the survey disqualification points. So Samplist is definitely my favorite one. Peanut Labs, I do that from time to time. Your surveys, I talk about that all the time. Your surveys is one of those things where the more surveys you do in that provider, the more surveys they give you, and the higher chance you have of qualifying for them. So, just keep that in mind. Now I want to go over to the offer walls just to show you some tricks in here as well. So this is the offer wall. Peanut Labs comes up first. Like I said, this is a good survey provider to do. Their surveys pretty much run throughout the day. So right now they don't have that many, but I said people are on them and they're taking them and they're filling up fast. So, but the Samplicious and your surveys, you don't have to worry about them, really running out like this, like only 2, because there's always plenty of them. And like I said, Peanut Labs, they will refresh throughout the day. Like right now it's early in the morning. So, as the day progresses, there will be more. But first thing with these survey providers, with these offers, I'm gonna jump over here to AdGate real quick. And here are the offers that pops up now. When it comes to offers, a lot of them are very simple. They're like, just sign up, confirm your email, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you real quick what I do. I go over here to order by, and I do to easiest. That way, all of these offers, I know they're easy, and most likely they're going to be quick. So this first one you see, clip all coupons and print can be completed once a day. That's 2 points for doing that. Now, obviously that's not a lot, but just going through and seeing what you can do. Complete pinch me profile and confirm email. All you have to do is just complete a profile, confirm your email, 37 points just like that, right? Going down, showing some more. You can complete a quiz. You can do that once a day. Right here, sign up for a free trial. Now, the free trials, a lot of people are hesitant to do them because they look at it like, oh, it's a free trial. They're eventually going to charge you. But right here, what you can do, you see right here, get 3 months of free radio, right? So basically, all you have to do is cancel it before that 3 months is up and you won't get charged for it, right? And you're getting $2.58 for doing that, right? So, that's how it works with that. And you can install this app and run it. You get 5 points for doing that. If you got an Android phone, same thing with this one. Download, install, open, view 3 minutes of content. You get 65 cents for doing that, right? You know what I'm saying? Download the app. You see the amount of points you get for doing that. So just really look at what the description is asking you to do. A lot of these are just, download them. I showed you ones where you can, just basically sign up for something free. Right here, sign up with valid information. This is not even a free trial. This is just, one of those sweepstakes offers. More than likely, you're not going to get the $500 GameStop gift card, but you will get the 92 points for doing that. You know what I'm saying? So that's how that works. That's how you can really build your account very fast. And these signups, they don't take long at all. Like signing up basically, giving them your name and your email. And one thing I will tell you about the email is like I don't ever use my real email. I create another email and just use that for offers. That way I don't get my real email flooded with a whole bunch of spam and things like that because they will email you. Some of them will, some of them won't, but obviously, you can block all of that stuff if you want. So, just going through and just showing you how easy this stuff is. Just like I said, a lot of them are apps. Sign up with valid information and proceed down the path right here, 83 points. So, I mean, it really does add up doing the offers. And there are more offers like that in Offer Turo and AdGem. All of these offers have basically, things where you just sign up and complete, free profiles, whatever. They do have some offers that, you have to pay or whatever, but I don't do those. I just do the free ones because, I don't want to take money out of my pocket. I just want to receive money, like most people, right? So that's how the offers work. So really, just doing those two things, the surveys and the offers, can really pile your money up. All right. So now to the fun part, I'm going to show you my cash out, and this is what I love about this site because the cash outs are actually instant. All right. So first, let me show you kind of rewards that they have in their reward section. So right here, you'll see off the top, it has PayPal, has Amazon, Subway, has a lot of different restaurants, grocery stores, retail stores, Dash Pass, things like that, Apple iTunes, a lot of different options you can choose from. You'll see here on the side, you can kind of organize it and what you're looking for, like grocery stores, things that are related to pets, to travel, all kind of good things. So there's definitely something in here for everybody. You'll see here on the side, most people are cashing out with PayPal just because that's everybody's favorite process. Just send it to your PayPal account and from your PayPal, take it straight to your bank. So I'm actually going to do the same thing. And you'll see here the minimum for PayPal is $5. Now, if you see at the top, I have my account. I have $11.13, which I'm going to cash out now. But I'm actually going to cash that all out as a custom cash out. So I'm going to do is going to search PayPal here. And you'll see here they have the custom amount that I could do. So I'm going to click on that. And then you can put in any amount as long as it's above $5. So I'm going to put in 113. Well, actually $11.13, just like that. And I'm going to claim this item. Now, before I do that, I want to actually jump over to my email just to show you that it came instantly. So I'm going to actually log into my email real quick. So this is my email. Obviously, the PayPal hasn't come through yet just because I haven't, fully cashed out. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to claim this item. Actually, are you sure you want to claim this prize? Okay. And really, my PayPal, email is already, with the site, so I don't have to enter in every time I cash out. So I'm going to click OK to basically refresh the page. Your request has been received. We just received your PayPal, customer amount, whatever. So now I can kind of, click on that to just show you fully what it says. Like it says, within the next 24 hours or sooner. Now it usually comes instantly, maybe like a few minutes after this. I wouldn't say like, I guess when I say instantly, I'm saying like, very soon, not like 2, 3 days later. But anyway, just going back to my inbox. So let me just log into my PayPal account real quick and just see that it's there. Just show you that it came instantly. And right there, see at the bottom, $11.13, instant cash out. So just wanted to show you that complete proof. Not only does it pay, it pays instantly. All right. So download it. Actually sign up with the website. Link is in the description. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.